So it's finally spring, and a month ago I was scrolling on TEMU app looking for some things that I, well, need. And I thought, you know what, why don't I do another random TEMU haul? Because maybe there will be something that you spot and like. And if so, as always, everything will be linked down below. So I guess Pickle is out, but I'll stay and I'm gonna do another random TEMU haul. Shall we begin? And I just got my package, so without further ado, let's dive in, shall we? What's in the bag? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Empty! Woohoo! Where do we start? Something in pink. So that's just a basic plain pink t-shirt. I didn't have anything like more slouchy and oversized. What is going on, buddy? This is called loose fit casual t-shirt. It comes in a few more different colors, but of course I wanted to have it in pink. I'm just a little bit concerned about the size, but it's supposed to be slightly oversized anyway, and that's the goal. So without further ado, let me go ahead and pop this on, see how it looks. And yet here's the t-shirt. It's really soft and stretchy, like really stretchy, which is a good thing, and it's quite long. I'm not sure if I needed a t-shirt to be this long, but I think I'll get used to that. So again, something plain, basic, minimalistic, if I can put it this way. I don't know what else to tell you. And I think I got myself the right size though. Oh, small! Maybe I should have gone with medium. But medium might look too baggy because it's already quite oversized, isn't it? I mean, again, it's just a basic t-shirt, so no one really cares, but for me, I think it's alright. Medium might be too slouchy. That's it, nothing else. Moving on. Next package. Ta-da! A scarf in baby blue, because A, I love baby blue and I'm obsessed about this color lately, and B, it's something that I needed for work. So I love the size, I love the color, and it's so soft. I needed something that I can literally wrap around my neck, and it's something that is slightly longer than those, you know, little tiny scarves that you put on your neck. So this is exactly what I needed. I love that. Yeah, it's just a basic solid color scarf, and it comes in many more different colors. It's literally perfect for spring and summer. It met my expectations. I love this so much. Moving on, what do we have next? Next we have hair clips. So that's exactly what I was looking for. In case you haven't seen the effort TEMU haul that I recently posted, I did get like a hair clip, but it was so tiny, and I was expecting for something like this. I love these beautiful pastel colors. So they came in a set of 3. Yeah, I paid €2.20 for 3 hair clips like these. That's a really good deal. Overall, these are nice. So yeah. Moving on, what else do we have in this haul? So I'm guessing it's a bag because I did need a bag, but I honestly don't remember what bag did I buy. So it's also a surprise for me. That's what I got. Here's a closer look. There's also a zipper in the back, so I assume for tiny little things like coins, keys, whatever. So you also have additional like pockets when you lift this up. It's better than I thought. What? Hold on a sec. How much did I pay for this one? Okay, so for this crossbody bag, I paid only €10. This is so handy. Okay, so yeah, it does have the straps. So everything seems to be working. Let me put these on. It's quite spacious. I love the size. I love how cute this actually is, and that it's black. So black usually goes with everything. And you can readjust the strap whenever you need. So bingo! I love this so much. You don't even know. Love it, and totally worth it. Moving on. Okay. This is the moment for the jacket. I really hope that it's going to be a nice jacket because I really wanted a denim jacket, but in pink. Does the jacket look good? Not so bad. Yeah, so it's a little bit cropped, and I don't know yet if that's okay or not. Okay, that's just an imitation, so that's not the real pocket. It doesn't have any pockets actually, so a little bit of a bummer, but whatever. Okay, so I did get this jacket in size large because I did want it to be more oversized rather than tight. Yeah, and I paid almost, well, €8.33. Yeah, it does look slightly different from the product picture, but not too much though. I hope I didn't miss with the size though. So let me go ahead, pop this on and see how it fits. So here's the jacket. It looks a little bit cropped, but I don't mind that at all. I love the length actually. And speaking about the size, I'm so glad I decided to get this in size large. The only thing I think the jacket is missing here, the real pockets. It does have functioning buttons, so what can you ask more of? I love it! Pickles! Do you love it? Because I do. Here's a closer look. So that's the front, the side, the back. I think it really is a nice jacket. Let's move on. Next. I remember the moment I saw this on TEMU, it was giving 90s, early 2000 vibes. And I was like, you know what? I am obsessed with the colors. Let me just get it. I love it. I am so glad I decided to get this. So I have this in size medium and it's called Lightweight Windproof Zip Up Jacket. You can tell there's a color difference in the product picture and reality, but to be honest with you, I don't mind. I don't mind that at all. In reality, it's more bright. And I love that. I can tell you right away, I'm obsessed. By the way, guys, what do you prefer? Do you prefer more like dark colors or light and pastels like me? Let me go ahead and pop this on. See how it looks? And this is the jacket. I am obsessed with this jacket. First of all, the colors. I'm a sucker for colors like these. Second, the style itself. As I said, it's giving Y2K, 90s, early 2000s, so I love this vintage style to it. And I can't get enough of the colors. It's just, what? Also, it does have the pockets, so that's a huge pro. Because a jacket without the pockets is not a jacket. It's like an apartment without a balcony. This is the jacket that I have been dreaming for so long. The length of the sleeves is perfect, although it is a little bit more tight on the bottom. So it has like an elastic band on the bottom. By the way, that's how it looks half unzipped. I don't even care if someone doesn't like this jacket because I love it and that's all that matters. I'm sure I'm gonna be wearing this for spring and summer seasons, that's for sure. I love the style, the oversized shape, the colors, working zipper, pockets. What else do you need, huh? What else? I can't get enough of this. I don't even want to take it off. Also, that's how it looks completely unzipped. I can't get enough of this. I'm telling you. Mwah! Chef's kiss. Love it. Next, I needed simple black trainers for daily casual activities or, you know, running errands. So I found these shoes and I'm hoping that they are going to fit me. Yeah, these are lightweight, all-season, breathable mesh casual shoes. And they also come in a couple of more different colors, but I just needed something in black. And yeah, they're supposed to be breathable, lightweight, and they are, and hopefully comfy. Let me put them on and see if I got myself the right size. These shoes suck. I don't like them. First of all, look how they look. They look like duck's leg. No offense, duck. But no, they don't look flattering at all. Also, I totally missed with the size. They run large, like too large. Such a disappointment, like what the duck? Although they are lightweight and comfortable-ish. I cannot say comfortable because I don't have myself the right size. Yeah, I'm not wearing the right socks, but whatever. Main point is they look too bulky, chunky. Looks like they're supposed to be for male, not for women. I don't like this tongue here, and there's just too much space for my toes. Meh, not for me. I wonder what's in this tiny little box. What? Sunglasses. Oh, these are nice. So yeah, these are vintage oval sunglasses and I paid €2.36. Yeah, they also come in silver, but I thought, you know what, let's just get them in gold. How do we look? Okay, I think it's alright, isn't it? Yeah, I do like the quality, the size, the shape. They're quite heavy and they've got dark lenses. I'm glad I decided to get them. They will go nice with any outfit. That's a good find. So here's a sad story. It was a very windy day and I took my old umbrella with me and it broke. And then I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get myself a new one. So that one was like a long umbrella that you couldn't like readjust the length, and this one's supposed to fit into your bag. I don't know, I'm just a sucker for clear umbrellas. So yeah, this one is a transparent umbrella. It says sturdy and compact. I hope so. Okay, let's test it out. Woo! Okay, don't be afraid, Pickles. I'm just testing an umbrella. I like the size of it though. It's quite spacious. Seems to be sturdy as it says. Yeah, I like that. How do I close it? By pushing it down. Oh, that's heavy. This is so difficult. Do I have to do this every single time? Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the first con. I can tell you right away about this umbrella. It's gonna be difficult. And it does get into a very weird shape though. It looks like a very unhappy umbrella to me. Yeah, so I don't know, that might be a disappointment. I think I'll need to look for another umbrella. I guess this is it, guys. Let me know what did you like most and least from this haul. I think it's been quite a successful haul so far, right, Pickles? So yeah, I enjoy doing such try-on hauls and unpacking stuff with you. So let me know what would you like to see more of. That would really help me. And we hope to see you next time.